In this video, we shall replace the HPM in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the HPM, first we need to have the fans, the memory, heatsink and processor, the power supply, risers 2 and 4, as well as the any installed OCP, BOSS, and DCS-CM cards. Removed. First, disconnect and unroute any cables that are running across. Disconnect. That was odd. Open. Okay. And out of the way. With everything disconnected from the system and moved out of the way, lift up on the blue plunger and holding by the blue tab back here, slide towards the front of the system and lift up and remove. To install the HPM, align and lower it into the system, and then slide it towards the rear of the system until it locks into place, and then reconnect all the power and data cables that you've previously disconnected. Let's start over here. These guys. My head in the way. Okay. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.